Now that we have our categories created, let's start adding some attributes to our songs. Let's click Library in the first menu and Browse in the second. Then select a track to edit. Here we have all the information GSelector has on the song. We can see which category this song is assigned to and change if needed. In the Day Parts menu, we can see how much demand there is for a song and how often that song is to be played. For example, with this track, if we played non-stop automation on the station, the turnover for this track would be 0 days, 22 hours and 9 minutes. This means on average there will be a 22-hour break before the track is played again. Down here we have tempo adjustments rated on a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being depressing sad music and 5 being upbeat and happy. It's important to mark the tempos of the songs as GSelector uses this information to schedule music back to back without it feeling jarring. For song history, we can see exactly when the song was last played and when it's scheduled to be played again by identifying the dates and marked boxes within the calendar chart here. So let's head over to the Attributes section. As you can see down here, by double-clicking within the Attributes box, we can add genre, vocal and era information to the song. We want to assign era and genre to song attributes here by clicking this arrow to the Attributes section, as this is information purely for the song rather than the artist. We then want to add vocal to the Artist Attributes section above this, as generally speaking this information will not change and is therefore assigned to the artist rather than the song. Let's click on Participants. So for the top box we want to add A-Marie as she is the sole vocalist. If there were any guest vocals on this track, we would add these into the Participants category here. Now we have completed attributes, let's hit Save.